Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect Google Photos from your iPhone. And basically we have four options how to do this. Method 1. If you want to only stop Google Photos from uploading new photos from your iPhone, you need to open Google Photos application, then tap at your profile icon at the right top, and right here we have backup. Click on it, and we need to disable backups. So click at the slider, and we just did it. Now, method 2. If you want to stop Google Photos from see your iPhone photos, then you need to go to the settings. Now, scroll down, and at the bottom we have apps. You need to tap on it, and right here you need to find Google Photos. So you can use a search and write Google Photos, or you can just scroll down, and right here we have it. Click on it, and then click at the photos at the top. Now you can give limited access to this application or just disable any access, and if we return to the application, right here as you can see, no photos here. Now, third method. If you want to just sign out from your account, then you need to also open Google Photos application, then click at your profile icon at the right top, then you need to click Manage Accounts on this device, and just remove your current account, and remove. Okay, and we did it. Now, the last option, if you want to delete Google Photos, then you need to press and hold at this application and remove app. Then delete and delete. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!